Professional lion hunter kills prey. The hunt begins right above in the forest. Large wild buffalo are potential prey today. Let's focus on discovering this movie too. Start stalking the buffalo herd. A newborn baby buffalo came into view. This little creature must learn to go fast while the lion queen is in action. In the distance, a male lion is digging for something. It listens to sounds in the cave. It's catching its prey in there. Exactly. It was a wild boar. It cannot escape. However, the powerful throat blow took the boar's life. A large herd of gazelles is eating and drinking in the grasslands. The one that caught the eye of the hunter was the lioness. Quickly embark on a terrifying chase. You can see they succeeded perfectly by a single pounce. A weak newborn buffalo soon becomes the prey of the female lion. As soon as it revealed itself behind the camouflage under the bushes. This delicious bait must still be given to the Lion King. But the lions do not always succeed in their plans. With this situation, they had to make some concessions when they clashed with the two rhinos warriors. Torturing a wild buffalo with a powerful squad is not difficult. These assassins scratch and bite their prey when they are full and stop moving. The hyenas that were biting their prey couldn't escape the power of the supreme king of the prairies, screaming in pain for help. But it seems the situation is not good for it. After identifying the target is the lone buffalo. The lions simultaneously attacked and surrounded the dramatic animal under the fierce resistance of the buffalo. The sharp bites cause severe head injuries to the prey. In the end, the lions had to give up when they lost their meal. Will the legendary lion family be impressed in this unique hunt? I look forward to receiving your comments, likes, and shares. Goodbye, and see you in the next episodes. Proud lion defeats elephant. The moment the elephant becomes prey. Tensions escalate as the giant elephant learns that it cannot escape the hungry eyes of its most dangerous predators. This encounter is a test of courage for these mighty elephants. You cannot miss these tense moments. Ahead, a lion chases a large elephant. Normally, lions do not choose elephants as prey, but in times of desperation, they have to resort to this method. It was an unfortunate male elephant targeted by a pride of lions. Can you feel the satisfaction of the lions when they organize a one-day party like this? Elephants are extremely impressive animals. Their long, sturdy tusks make it easy for them to break and peel tree bark. Their torso serves many purposes and is often compared to a human arm. With their strong bodies, it's hard to believe when two elephants confront each other. That is why lions hunting these prey shows the lion's courage and great hunting skills. Returning to the deep forest, the mother elephant successfully reunited with her herd after many days of searching for her missing baby elephant. The elephants were extremely excited when they discovered a lion party taking place below where they lived. The climax was the mother elephant's unexpected action. These actions prove she knows why her calf is missing. This is a group of victorious wild dogs playing a game of chasing antelopes on the steppe. The leading male elephant and the other members of the herd roared in anger. They act like thugs when they cut off the wild dog's circulation routes, and barriers created by adult elephants are quickly erected. That's how these elephants protect their young.
Hello everyone, and I hope you like this video today, as it is my great honor to create the beautiful and meaningful video for you each day. Thank you so much for always supporting us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's come to the other videos from our channel and discover more about our beautiful planet. See ya.
What if one of us messed up? It's all just a game. You say it don't work, but what if we're not the same? You've been hurt before, I know it's tough, but you can't give up on love, it's never enough. You say you don't wanna try, no, but let me show you a different side, oh. Take a chance on love, it might surprise you. Don't let fear dictate what you should do. Don't let fear dictate what you should do. Fear it a shot, baby, just give it a shot. Ooh, you never know, it could be the best thing you got. Open up your heart and let love in. Ooh, 'cause when love is real, it's worth everything. Ooh. I know you've been hurt before, left feeling so unsure, but don't let the past define you, baby, I implore. Take a leap of faith, embrace the unknown, 'Cause in this crazy world, love's the greatest thing we've ever known. Yeah, don't wanna try, no, no. You don't wanna try, no, no. Let me show you a different side. Oh, take a chance on love. It might surprise you. Don't let fear dictate what you should do. Don't let fear dictate. Just give it a shot. Ooh, you never know, it could be the best thing you've got. Ooh, open up your heart and let love in. Ooh, 'cause when love is real, it's worth everything. Ooh, don't let past scars define you. The future's unwritten page. Take my hand, let's rewrite it. Turn the doubts to a new stage. Love's a journey we're worth taking. You say you don't wanna try.